Would you stand for your faith, even if it meant the fire? 3 men did, and their courage changed history. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego refused to bow to the golden statue of King Nebuchadnezzar. Their punishment, a blazing furnace so hot it killed the guards who threw them in, but inside the flames, a fourth figure appeared, one like a son of God. The fire didn't burn them, it revealed God's presence with them. Faith doesn't always keep us out of the fire. Sometimes, it walks with us through it. Whatever you're facing, remember, God never leaves you in the heat alone. If this story reignited your faith, hit subscribe and join Scripture SideQuest, where every trial becomes a side quest toward God's power and promise.